Hello and welcome back to Universal Information and Entertainment TV. In this video, I am showing you that how to get Ford Radio security code for free of cost and within a minute only. To fully understand this tip, please watch this entire short video, and please do not forget to hit like on this video, and also subscribe us with pressing bell icon to get further useful videos. These are just a couple of steps to get the 100% free code for your lost code of radio, or you might had battery replacement, or due to flat battery, or you are replacing a radio with faulty one. Get the radio code within few seconds and free of cost. Let me guide you step by step. Step 1. Please go to Google App Store or Play Store from your Android phone. Click on search area, then type Ford Radio code V and M series. You will find few applications to install. I am telling you which I am using it for to get the radio code. It's really nice application. I never had any problem, and I have sold hundreds of radio code on eBay and privately. Please install this highlighted app in your phone. After installation, please open the app to get the free code. It's very simple, just enter the radio serial number, which is normally starts with letter M or V, and then 6 digits, you can see it on screen. Please enter the 6-digit number only, then press on Get Code. Step 2. After pressing the Get Code button, then you will see a message to watch an advertisement. Click on Watch, because this app is free, but app owners are making money by showing random advertisements from 5 seconds and up to 30 seconds. There will be counter clock showing the remaining time to end this advertisement. As soon as advertisement finished, then you should click on X to close this advertisement screen. After hitting X, you will be back to the screen where you clicked on Get Code. Just click on Get Code again, and this time it will show you code within a second. You will get the calculated codes with showing before the letter M or V. Now you should match if your radio serial number letter M or V, then use the code to enter into your radio and enjoy. Now let me show you that how to take your radio serial number. There are few ways to get the radio serial number. It really depends on your radio model. Type 1. Press and hold the 1 button of radio, then you may see the serial number on screen. Type 2. Press and hold the button 1 and 6 together for up to 10 seconds. Your radio should show the serial number on its screen. If these two type trick are not working on your radio, then please take the radio out and watch the label, which is stick on back of your radio. Best practice is to get a picture of radio's label and then put back radio into dashboard. And then finally use this application to get free code. I am hoping you liked this informative video. Thanks.
Thanks for watching Universal Information and Entertainment TV. Please like and subscribe our channel for more updated videos, news, information and entertainment. See you in next video. Stay tuned.